as you start adding more stuff into here, you're going to quickly see that this can get a little bit crowded. So in order to help with that, you can actually use the layouts that are on the right-hand side. And all you have to do is click and drag these in, and then it makes them a lot easier for you to kind of separate your content. So for example, I'll take these three. So what I'll do is I'll drag this in, and now it's going to give me the option to add in 3 different images, and then it's got different options for text. And I don't have to use all of this. Like if I don't want that, I can delete the text box underneath there. But I can also add in the pictures here. So using the layouts here is actually pretty useful to kind of make sure that everyone stays neat looking on the site. You also can use other things too, like having a divider or loading in a YouTube video or putting a button on as well that would link out to somewhere else. Okay, so there are a lot of different options of things you can use to make the site look good. The next thing we're going to look at is how we can load in a link to something, and that something will be an interactive quiz.